hollow points.
Hey, don't play with him.
Bruh.
Put me on the payroll or something. Hey, if y'all need cuts, goddamn book your boy.
Yo, holler at me. I got his calendar on set, bro. We do Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all the way up to Saturday. We don't do Sunday. Sunday's for the family.
Sundays for us. But you see this fresh cut? You see my boy in the Turley? Stop playing with him. Check the feet.
Woo! Bro, get the tiger.
With the belt? Where is she going, Dan?
Dad?
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 We're here at Eurofed. Waiting on Tyler. He's in the back right now. We just had to fill up a meth tank, but it's kind of dark back there. We couldn't really see, so we had to leave it's like a 6-gallon tank. We had 2 drums of these and we poured a full one and about half of this one into the big container. It's like a gas can. It's just huge. We're going to put the rest of this in the meth tank. He just got a meth tank installed on the 911. So we're here now. We're about to top it off and then take the car and do like a log or 2 and then have some fun. And then in the morning, we'll do some more logs. I'm looking at this M. I can't tell if it's a real M or a clone. Need the trunk. Okay, it's a real M. The other side is just foobarred. So anyway, Tyler's gonna come right now. Guess we'll do a cold start. There you go. But just in case everybody wanted to know, and then, yeah, you gotta love this. But it's just a meth gauge. It'll just read when the meth is on, how much is pushing it into the car. Real casual stuff. Okay, so the gauge wasn't working because there's this fuse here. We had to basically, I don't know what you would call it, but we took I guess it's the clock gauge. I could be like completely explaining this wrong. I have no knowledge of any of this, but there was a 20 gauge fuse in here, so we put the fuse in here. There's 2 slots, and then you just plug it into here. Once we did that, like I told you guys, now we got a meth gauge. Isn't this nutty? That's nice. That's really nice. All right.
Meth everywhere.
Well, he got the long thing.
It's back there, yeah.
Yeah, so there's
that's a snub. That's a snub. I told you, you gotta commit to that pour if you want to pour.
We got a meth tank now. So I think this is like a 5-gallon, safe to say. I don't know. All I'm gonna say is the butt dyno is gonna feel retarded. Hey, Hey, but can we just take a second right now and appreciate how my man's is coming through? Like, whew, come crazy, bro.
Whew. Hide your bitch.
Hide your wife.
I'm going on both.
Oh, we got days in this thing.
Well, how big is the thing?
They must have cut that shit into the floor or
I was
something.
saying, how big is it going up under? Huh?
Yeah.
They didn't tell you how big it was?
2 gallon tank.
2 gallons? We ain't poured 2 gallons? It's a big ass funnel.
My eyeballs must be off.
Well, we just get pussies.
I don't know about that.
I slowed the stream down a lot so I can.
It's about full. I would.
Almost there. Almost there. Keep going. Yeah, we're good.
I say you
we're
stop.
good, we're good.
What is at the fucking rim?
Stop.
Bro,
I told you I was gonna try to
there's
fill
a
out.
way better way to do this.
Yeah, a fucking long neck funnel. Like that was.
On there, P stands for purge. Don't
Yes.
purge it.
Okay. So right arrow.
Because you have big nozzles. Yeah, right arrow.
Hit the right arrow.
Yeah.
All right, I got it.
What's
Injection
it say?
start.
What does it say? What number?
Injection start at 10.
Okay, press the up arrow till it says 15.
All right. Got it.
Make it 14, I'm sorry.
No
Narrow
worries.
down to 14.
14.
And then now go to the next menu option with the right button again.
Got it. Now it says 31.
Go down to 30.
Got it. Right arrow.
Yeah. Now, next arrow, yep. Tell me what comes next.
Power nozzle off.
Correct. Next.
Still got.
All right, now.
It's still got the injection.
Now,
off.
yeah, now I want you to press the P button, and don't worry if it kills the car. Go ahead.
Okay. Just hit P.
Yep.
All right. It's purged.
Did it bloop like that?
It did.
It primed.
Like it should have tried to kill the idle.
No, it did not.
Okay, wait a second. Now, so you're idling right now, right?
I'm idling.
Try it again.
No, it's
No change.
no change. Oh, yep, there it is.
Damn.
There it is. It's killing it.
Did it turn off or is it lugging?
It's lugging.
Okay, she's on. You put the map I gave you in?
I already did the map.
Okay, did it die or is it still running?
It's just lugging.
Okay, clear its throat a little bit. What? There you go.
Yeah.
Take it for a rip and text me so my steak tastes good, will you?
I got you.
Turn right onto Cotillion Drive.
I mean, she's not a big.
Turn right at 400 yards.
A few moments later.